everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you redirect a page on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, go ahead and open up the websites where you want to enable redirecting pages. So after clicking the website guys, now this will open up our website in the page, and as you can see on the left side of the screen we have a couple options that we can use to edit our website. So guys, we want to go ahead and click this option right here called settings. Clicking on settings guys, now this will again open up some options that we can use to edit our website, and we want to go ahead and click this option right here called advanced. So guys, go ahead and click on advanced, and after clicking on that guys, you can see that there is an option right here called URL mappings. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here. And now guys, you'll be able to enter the URL that you want to redirect your page from. So go ahead and enter the old URL and then enter the new URL that you want the page to be redirected to. After doing that guys, just go ahead and click on save and go back, and after that everything will be saved and you have successfully redirected your pages. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.